In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom account. Whether you're setting it up for business meetings, virtual hangouts, or online classes, creating a Zoom account is a straightforward process. So let's dive right in. To begin, open your web browser and search for Zoom. You can simply type Zoom into your preferred search engine, and once you've done that, look for the official Zoom website in the search results. It's typically titled Zoom One Platform to Connect, which will take you straight to their website when clicked. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, you'll notice a sign up for free button. This is your next step. Clicking on this button will initiate the sign up process, offering you the free account setup option. Next, Zoom will ask you to enter your birth year. This step is crucial as it ensures you meet the service's minimum age requirement. Go ahead and type in your birth year, and after doing this, click on the continue button to proceed further. Now, you'll reach a page where you can choose your sign up method. Zoom provides several options, but for demonstration purposes today, we're going to use Google. Selecting Google Sign Up allows for a quicker sign up process, leveraging the information already available in your Google account. After choosing Google, a prompt will appear asking you to sign in with Google. By clicking on Sign In with Google, you're redirected to a confirmation page. This step may sound simple, but it's essential as it securely connects your Zoom account to your Google account. Once you've clicked on Sign In with Google, follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts may include confirming your Google account and allowing permissions for Zoom to access necessary information. It's important to read these prompts carefully to understand what you're consenting to as you proceed. And that's it. You've successfully created your Zoom account using Google. From this point on, you can explore Zoom's features and set up your first meeting. Ensure you have a good microphone and camera setup if you intend to host meetings or classes. And remember, like with any online tool, keeping your account secure is essential. Make sure to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication if available. This added layer of security helps protect your personal information and meetings from unauthorized access. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.